So this is here, right here. Look.
Yeah.
Ah, disconnected.
Can I use? Can I?
Oh no. No.
How much is it?
Quite a bit. This one's gonna be an update video for you guys. No fancy drone shots or anything. Maybe just a few. First things first. Hey guys, where would you recommend I get some food?
Some food?
Pretty good?
The market.
Where?
Go straight.
Market this way? Market?
Yes.
Right here on the right?
Yeah.
Thank you. This is the market?
Yes.
I asked the officer where to eat and he said the market. It's closed.
Closed today. You should come to...
I'm gonna fire the police officer.
No, it's closed.
Okay, well where should I eat then?
Eat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The Colonel?
That's it.
Oh my goodness. The healthiest thing on the menu seemed to be the grilled chicken, the brazier. Well, they're out of that. This is the opposite of healthy. There's a hash brown and fried chicken in this wrap. If you missed the last video, I'm gonna be in Mauritius for a while. It's this small town, and I mean small town near the airport. It's called Mayberg. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. Is this town called Mayberg? Maybug. Like B-U-G?
B-O-U-R-G.
Well, I got that, but I have a trouble saying it correctly. Mayberg. Okay. This area is not touristy at all, and I've got a whole lot more to uncover about the history and the culture before I think about exploring other parts of the island. I've been traveling alone for a whole lot of weeks, and people have asked me if I'm lonely. Well, the answer is a resounding no. Between the new friends that I've made in the Philippines that have shown me around their home country, to the travelers I've run into in hostels, it's taught me a very important lesson that you are never alone, even if you are traveling alone. And I've learned more in this short period of time traveling alone about myself than I have in quite some time. I've learned not to quit. You can pivot, but don't give up. If it's important to you, keep at it. Now, back to Mauritius. I'm at this guest house. What is a guest house, though? It's like a hotel met a hostel and had a baby and then spit this thing out. You've got a kitchen you can cook in, you've got travelers coming from all different parts of the world, but unlike a hostel, you get your own room. As soon as you start filming, the weed whackers and lawnmowers come out. A friend of mine named Felix is on a 54-hour flight right now as we speak, and he's on his way to Mauritius. We're gonna create some content together. More on that later. Lastly, I'm still trying to figure out the format of all these videos. What's released, when it's released, all that good stuff. I can tell you this, I want to create travel content that's uplifting, it's informative, and slightly entertaining. If it can do that, then I have succeeded. So, bear with me through these growing pains. This concludes our video update for today. Until next time, see ya.